In the biomass and energy stream, our main focus is actually utilization of biomass. Coconut biomass mainly includes or entails the coconut husk, the products that come from the coconut husk, and that is mainly the fiber and the cocoa pit. For the fiber, we are looking at development of cellulose-based superabsorbent products. We have a master student, Joyline, working on or developing. She actually developing products that are superabsorbent for application in many fields, but at the moment the focus is in agriculture. We are collaborating with a local producer in Kwale called Cocoa Grow Company. We are still refining on the technologies of especially removing excess oil.
On my research, I am working on the development of cellulose-based hydrogel products from coconut fiber. The fiber is rich in cellulose, which we can use for development of these hydrogels. Of importance of these hydrogels is a natural polymer that is degradable. On product development of my research, I've developed a number of products. On the final product, that is the first product is the cellulose. The next product is the hydrogel. That is where we are focusing on. And this hydrogel can be used in agriculture as for water conservation. And another use is on diapers. As we know, like sanitary towels, the material that is there is basically hydrogels, but whatever is there is synthetic. And on synthetic material, they are not degradable. That's why we are focusing on the biodegradable material for this use.